Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.6.6 and we are going to spoof MAC addresses with SMAC. So as an IT administrator, you need to know how security breaches are caused. You know the SMAC is used for MAC spoofing. So you are going to smooth your MAC address. In this lab, your task is to complete the following. On the Office 2, use ipconfig/all and find the IP addresses and MAC addresses. Spoof the MAC addresses on IT admin to that of Office 2 using SMAC. Refresh your MAC and IP addresses to match the target machine. So we start up right away. We want to go into the start menu and we want to search for Windows PowerShell. In Windows PowerShell, we want to type in ipconfig/all and press enter. So that will give us all of the details we need, and we'll go ahead and see what we have here. Oh, okay. Let's go to Floor Overview and go to IT Admin. While in IT Admin, you want to, let's search for SMAC and open the app. We run it as administrator. And here we want to input zero 55 44 15. Let's go ahead and update MAC and see what we have. So adapter restart is complete. Click OK. So go to the start menu. I want to select Windows PowerShell. So here we are going to input ipconfig/all and press enter. That'll bring out the informations that we need. So I check. Okay, so this is there. 00. Okay, 000055554415. Okay, so we're going to type in ipconfig/all renew, press enter. So here we have the details that we need, and let's go ahead and scroll up and see how we do. And this is a pass, 100%. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Join my professional membership where you have access to other labs that are not available here. You can reach me through my email if you wish to. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.